All right, today is Wednesday. Remember, for rhyme recognition, I'll say the words, you repeat the words, thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. That flat. Yep, they rhyme. Those mouse. Now that's a tricky one. I'm going to show you on that. The O's, mouse. So they both have an S at the end, but one says O's and one says ouse. So those do not rhyme. And if you aren't sure, you can do that also and try to listen to what that ending sound is. Chick stick. Crush must. Rush must. They don't rhyme. Moth cloth. Thumbs up. Peach reach. Yep, they rhyme. Okay, for onset fluency, I will say the words, you repeat the words, and then you tell me what sound they start with, okay? It'll be wa, sh, ch, th, or th, okay? Whimper whiz weather. Wa. Shaggy shore shady. Sh. Then that these. Th. Change chase cheddar. Ch. Theft thief thinking. Th. Okay, we're going to blend. I'll do the blending phonemes, and when I go like this, you blend them together. And then I will tell you what the word is just to make sure you got it right. Ath. Math. Chose. Chose. Short. Short. Than. Eat. Wheat. Ch. Lunch. Good. Okay, today we're going to isolate the final sound. I'll do it, you repeat. Or I'll say the word and then you isolate the sound, okay? Fourth. Fourth. Match. Match. Ninth. Ninth. Fresh. Fresh. Touch. Touch. Mouth. Mouth. Good job. Okay, we're segmenting. I'll say the word, you repeat the word, then you segment the phonemes, okay? Chain. Shake. Whiz. These. Shy. Whisk. Okay, good job. Okay, I'm going to add an initial phoneme. When I go like this, you blend those together, and then I will tell you what the word is, just to make sure you got it. We have at. Add ch to the beginning to make chat. We have air. Add sh to the beginning to make share. We have ink. Add th to the beginning to make think. We have row, add th to the beginning to make throw. We have aim, add sh to the beginning to make shame. We have eek, add ch to the beginning to make cheek. Good. Now I'm going to delete a phoneme, that initial phoneme. We have the word sheet without sh. What's left? Eat. We have the word shark without sh. What's left? Ark. We have the word that without th. What's left? At. We have the word chin without ch. What's left? In. We have the word than without th. What's left? An. We have the word shave without sh. What's left? Ave. Good. Okay, our last one is substituting phonemes. We have the word sink, change s to th. And what's the word? Think. We have the word sore, change s to ch. And what's the word? Chore. We have the word peas, change p to th. And what's the word? These. We have the word park, change p to sh. And what's the word? Shark. We have the word pill, change p to ch. And what's the word? Chill. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Great job.